Hi, Barrington, New Hampshire is home to what is billed as the biggest and best chapter-sponsored antique truck show on earth. The chapter that does this sponsoring is the Granite State Chapter of the Antique Truck Club of America. The show can draw as many as 450 exhibitors, most of them with old trucks, but some with antique tractors, engines, or construction equipment. The pictures in this video were taken on August 19, 2012. The weather was good and a large number of trucks turned out. These pictures represent just a small sampling of what was there to be seen. Hope you enjoy them, and thanks for watching.